Namaste students, in this video we will be learning about major landforms of Africa. These major landforms include plateaus, mountains, low-lying areas, rift valley and rivers. Let's understand about plateaus. Most of Africa has plateaus. You can see in the south, you can see in the east, the north central part. Everywhere you can see the plateaus are located. The slope of the continent is higher in the south, and as we move towards the north the slope is going down. That means the African continent slopes down towards the north. Let's take mountains. Africa has very few mountains if we observe the physical map of India. Let's take Atlas mountain range. Atlas mountain range is located in the northwest of Africa, and it is a fold mountain range. Second is Drakensberg Mountains, which are located to the southeast of Africa, and they are not actually the mountains. The southern plateau in Africa has tilted ends. So these tilted ends of the plateau is known as the Drakensberg mountain range. The highest peak, Mount Kilimanjaro, is located in East Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro is an extinct volcano and the highest peak in the continent. Mount Kilimanjaro is always covered with snow as it is very high. The elevation is 5,895 meters, and though it is located close to the equator, because of its elevation it always remains snow covered. Low-lying areas of Africa. Looking at the continent of Africa, we come to know that there are very less low-lying area present in the continent. Along the northwestern coast of Africa, we can see a few low-lying area present there. Other low-lying areas includes Congo Basin in the country of Congo, and Lake Chad Basin. So Africa has very less low-lying areas. Lake Chad Basin is located in this part. Moving to the Rift Valley, the striking feature of African continent, which is called as Great Rift Valley. What is Rift Valley? A long narrow valley with steep sides formed due to the vertical cracks. Sorry, there is an error in spelling. Due to the vertical cracks. We call these cracks the faults. These cracks are mainly occurring due to the plate movement. You can see in this animation the two plates are moving away from each other. That means these are divergent plates. So what happens? There is possibility of the cracks developing at the center, and the plate is divided into two parts or more. So whichever part is heavy, that part sinks down, creating a rift valley. It is also possible any part which is located on side, that may sink, right? So here in this animation the central part is sinking down, creating the rift valley. So the land between the faults may sink and form the valley. Let's continue understanding Rift Valley. Great Rift Valley is considered as the most unusual landform of Africa. Reason is number one, the formation, and second is its stretch. How far it is stretched. So it starts from Mozambique in the south, and it continues in Malawi, Tanzania, Kenya, Ethiopia, and into Red Sea. Even it crosses Gulf of Aqaba, Dead Sea and Sea of Galilee, and at last it ends in Syria. So it is, you won't believe, 6,444 kilometers long. You can see in this animation the Rift Valley is stretching from south to northern part in Syria, covering all the countries like Mozambique, Malawi, Tanzania, Kenya, Ethiopia. In the next video, we will be learning about rivers of Africa. We'll focus on source, mouth and end of the course of the river. Stay connected. Bye bye.